Welcome back, guys. I forgot one thing today. I'm gonna do a chain adjustment and tension on my R3, so I'll show you the tools and we'll get into it. Alright guys, here are the tools I'm gonna use. I'm gonna loosen up the tire, adjust the chain. We have these tools you saw. Alright, so let's loosen up the tires right now. Alright, so that should be loose enough. So I'm using a 22 on the right and a 19 on the left. Alright guys, so the alignment tool. This is the tool you put on this piece, slides into this other piece right there. You tighten this piece down here, then this one clamps around the sprocket of the bike. So just tighten it up, and that's pretty much it. Then you just, everything's all loose, you can push it back, make sure it's aligned. And right now I am gonna adjust the chain and see how much the tension, if it's loose or tight. But for my occasion, it's gonna be probably loose, so I'm gonna measure it and go from there. Alright guys, to use this tool, hold it upside up like this. The chain should go in, hold it up, hold the bottom. Then the chain should go down and up. So when it goes all the way down, you can take it off, flip it around, then you can see my chain tension. So I'm supposed to be between 35 and 45, so it's below 45. So let's adjust this and go. Alright guys, now we need to loosen up these right here. So these are gonna be 12mm. Alrighty. Just loosen this up. Now grab on the tire, then pull back towards the rear. Alright guys, now you can see the little sucker right there. That little sucker right there is in the inside of this chain. So you have to look straight down. If it's aligned, then you have to tighten up the bolts. Alright guys, so we make sure it's aligned. Now we need to tighten up the bolts. Alright guys, so everything's aligned. So we tighten these back up a little bit so it won't move. Alright guys, let's go to the other side and adjust the chain and see how much we need to adjust. Alright guys, let's now check the tension. So right now it was a bit loose. Tighten the other side up. Check this again. Now it looks like it's below 40. Just a little bit more. So to get that little bit extra, we're gonna use these to tighten up the ends to get it aligned and make sure the top is aligned too. Alrighty, so it looks like it's straight. The chain is moving straight. Now that we tension those bolts up, let's check the tension again. So it looks like the tension was too much. We went to 35. So we need to go back off those nuts a quarter turn. It should be good. Now let's recheck the tension. Looks like barely at 40, so I am comfortable with that. So the tension is supposed to be between 35 and 45, and I am good at 40. So if I go down, it's barely at 40. So I'm good with that, and let's make sure the alignment is straight, and let's finish this project. Alright guys, we got everything aligned, tensioned. I'll show you guys how it looks like. You can use these tools and the ones that come with the bike too, so I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so everything is aligned, it's tension. So right now I got the top aligned to the front. I used these marks on the bike inside, so the bike, it should be aligned straight. I just need to tighten it up and I am done. Alright guys, so everything is nice, aligned. Tension is at 40, so I had it on 40. The OEM tension for this is supposed to be between 35 and 45, so I'm in 40, so that'll be perfect. So you can see some slack in there, not much but some in there. Then I got everything tightened. Main bolts are tightened up, the tension bolts are tightened up, everything, it's aligned like I told you. You can follow the stock marks on the bike, or you can have this for the tension, this for the alignment. But if you have all these two plus this, makes it the whole job easier. You don't have to worry about it. So alright guys, let's end this vlog. Alright guys, we just finished the bike, getting it tensioned, aligned. I test drove it right now, so pretty much good. It's getting late, so I need to do some stuff, get some groceries done. I know I'm splitting up some videos that I'm doing today, so, but overall I have a lot of stuff to do. So I got the bike washed, I did the cleaning of the chain and aligning and tension. So alright guys, have a good one. I'll see ya.